Hello viewers, welcome to Peniremit. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how you can use the Peniremit app to buy airtime. Let's get started. First, you tap on your Peniremit app. You can navigate buying airtime in two ways. First, at the bottom of your screen, you can see three icons. You have the home, pay bill, and profile. So once you tap on pay bill, you can just tap on buy airtime. Either you go this route or get on your home page and you simply tap airtime. Once you're in the buy airtime interface, you'd then select the token you'd like to spend from. So you can either select WikiCat or the Theta USDT. For this video, I'll be using the Theta USDT, and now you input the phone number that you'd like to credit. I'll be inputting this number. Okay, and then you select the network, whether it's MTN, Glo, Airtel, or 9Mobile. The way you can have the phone number imputed on Peniremit is to tap the contact icon by the right here. Once you tap the contact icon, you allow Peniremit to have access to your contact. So you just tap allow. And once you tap allow, you'll be seeing all your contact details. Then you can select your preferred contact to credit airtime. You've already imputed the phone number that I would like to credit. Next, impute the amount you like to send. So you can simply tap on any of these figures on screen: 100 naira, 200 naira, 500 naira, 1000 naira, 2000 naira, 5000 naira. Or if the amount is not visible, if the amount wasn't stated, you can impute the amount you want to credit. You can impute 1500, you can impute 15,000, whatever amount you'd like to credit, you can go right ahead and credit. For this video, I'll be crediting 5000 naira. It says I'm buying airtime 5000 naira worth, $3.94 in USDT. It's shown me the number, the network, from my USDT account balance, the fees, the total amount, and the rate at the time of this transaction. So you just tap on continue, and then you impute a transaction. Once you impute a transaction PIN, the order will be processed. The action is successful. You can view the details of the transaction by tapping view details, and then you see that your airtime purchase of 5000 naira has been successful. If you have any issues regarding this transaction, just simply tap on report issue, and then you can fill the support form sharing the issues experienced. Just before you go, you can also support the channel by buying our educational token WikiCat, built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you. I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. If you do have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured the team member will respond to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.